I had no idea I could do tree removal with a machete. It might take me a little longer, but we still could get a tree removed with the machete. I swear I needed a whole chainsaw and an axe. But now I'm just thinking about neck. Yeah, oh well. And then when I get I had no idea. I ain't know it was that much fun either. Oh, I'm talking to YouTube. I'm letting them know how much fun I'm having cutting down the tree with the machete. Let me see this big branch. Pretty thick, right? Maybe I got to get some small ones. It's definitely better tools for this job. Don't get me wrong. Definitely better tools for the job, but this is getting it done one way or the other. Come on. What 29 seconds. Yes. Oops. That was a close call. Them wires. That was a close call. Whew. Got it done. Close call. Oh, let's finish it. Oh yeah. Cutting the tree down.